Okay?
Dad, no.
Tell him. Do you have more presents? What is that?
That's my stuffing bottle. Stuffing.
Tell her. I want to know what's in that big one.
That big one is...
Let's see. Kleenex. Can you wave?
Yeah.
Hey, tell her. You can play with that later. I want to see what's in here. Look, sweetie. This one's yours too. Can you open it?
No. I'll go one.
You can play with your horsey, but I want to see you open one more present. I haven't seen you open a present yet. Come here.
Horsey trailer.
Come here, sweetie.
Where's the horsey trailer?
Right there. Come here, sweetie. I'm talking to you. Come here.
Where's the horsey trailer?
Here, take that out. I want to see what's in there.
Yeah, it is.
What is that?
Can you get it out?
Yes. What is it?
It's a dog with stuff in big boo-boos.
Yes, there's a book of boo-boos in it.
Can you open it?
Yes.
Okay. Let's open it together.
All right.
Okay,
Let's do it.